you guys, today we're going to be doing this look and I got my hair done, my perfect blonde. I'll list who does my hair down below, but be sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's just get into it. I used Benefit Precisely My Brow shade 4.5 on my brows, and then I primed my eye with Urban Decay Primer Potion, and then went in with Ofra Perfecting Puff, which you have Ofra 30 for a 30% off discount. And then for a transition shade, we're going in with Soft Glam and putting Orange Soda in the crease. I didn't want nothing so intense as my transition shade because I wasn't sure how this look was even gonna go. And then with this Laura Los Angeles Party Animal palette, which is so freaking pretty, we are going in with the shade Asa Party, and we're going to blend that in the crease with a no-named crease brush. And then we're going to pop it right into Damage Control and start making that halo shape. And then with no extra product, we are going in with that crease brush again and just blending out the edges. And the camera does not give Karaoke the true color. It's like so vibrant, but we're going to deepen the inner and outer corner and in the crease. And we're going to take the shade Hungover and just blend that with my finger. I can't really explain where I'm blending it, but you can see I'm blending it right along the outside of that blue and leaving a little space in the middle for the pink. And then I'm going to take a brush and just blend that in with no extra product. And then we're taking the shade Bottoms Up and popping that right in the center of the lid. Then I'm just cleaning up any fallout, which there really wasn't any, with the Patchology Clean AF makeup wipes. Then we're using the Bang Beauty gel liner in the shade Chocolate and just making a wing. I didn't go all the way to the inner corner, I went like maybe halfway. And then we're going to take the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara and then pop on some Siren minis from House of Lashes. And as you can see, I kind of had some trouble with this today. I suck at putting on lashes, don't judge me. Now to the face. For primer, we're going in with the Pore Minimizing Primer from CoverGirl. For foundation, we're using the LA Pro Matte Foundation, and this is the shade Light Tan. And sorry I'm using this concealer like consistently. I'm using the CATRICE Full Coverage Concealer, Complete Coverage Concealer, something coverage concealer, but yeah. And then just setting my face with Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And then we're going to go in with the shade Drinks and pop that on the lower lash line. going to blend it out with Issa Party. We are going in with 24/7 liner from Urban Decay, which is the shade Overdue, and putting that in the waterline and lower lash line and smudging that out. We're going to take this Blush and Glow 2 palette from Profusion and highlight with the shade, I don't know because I can't see it under my work. But we're going to take Tempera and lighten up that brow bone highlight. For contouring, we're going in with the Sculpt and Blow palette from Profusion. We're going in with the deep contour shade. And when I'm trying to contour my nose, I would like trying to look in the mirror that doesn't exist on the palette, which was pretty funny. And we're going to highlight with the shade Lit and, you know, just glow. Keep glowing. And we're going to take this corally kind of blush and just pop that on my cheeks and my temples. You guys, if you try the Shay Mitchell collaboration with BUXOM with these Pillow Pout lipsticks, they are so good. The cap holds the product. They are so comfortable, lightweight, easy to apply. I didn't think I was going to like them, but I love them. This is the shade Darling Dolly. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. Trying to do different things because I kept doing the same thing over and over again, I felt. But leave suggestions down below and I'll see you in my next video.